Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at a TEKS tool strip diagram, specifically part whole. We're using it to solve a problem related to TEKS 3.8b, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got a pictograph here. Whenever we look at a pictograph, we always need to make sure we are finding the key. And so each of these circles is going to represent 6 sandwiches. So that's going to be extremely important. And it says on Monday and Tuesday combined, the cafeteria made $4 for each sandwich sold. How much money did they make on Monday and Tuesday? So we just need Monday and Tuesday. We don't really need Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And so what we have here is we have got a part whole, because what we could do is we can take a look at these sandwiches and we can figure out, well, how many do we have on Monday? How many do we have on Tuesday? And then each of those made $4. Okay. And so let's take a look at what we know here. Each of these circles is 6 sandwiches. So I can say this is going to be 6, and that's 6, and that's 6. Now, I've got a half a circle on Monday. So we need to take half of 6. So they never give you how much half of it is. You need to do the math on your own. But let's say that's a half. Half of 6 is 3. So we need to know that this is a 3. So let's make a strip diagram to show what we have for Monday. So Monday, let's figure out how many sandwiches we have. I've got 4 parts because there's 4 circles, even though that last one is only half of one. It's a 6, it's a 6, it's a 6, and a 3. All right, so if I add those up, I'll get 6 times 3. There's 3 sixes. It's 18. And if I add that last 3, that's going to give me 21. All right, so I know that there are 21 sandwiches sold on Monday. Let's figure out how much we have on Tuesday. And we'll do the same thing. Now, there are no partial circles here, so it's just 6 all the way across. Okay, so I'm going to have 4 groups of 6. So this one is going to be an equal group strip diagram. So this is a mixed problem. It's got a little bit of both, part whole and equal groups. So if we put that together, that's going to be 6 times 4, and that's going to equal 24. All right, so I can make 21 sandwiches sold on Monday. I can put that together with 24 sandwiches sold on Tuesday. Let's figure out how much we have Monday and Tuesday. And I'll do a different type of strip diagram here. I'll do one where I've got just a line going between those two. And I'm just going to put my 2 totals here. 21, 24. If I do 21 plus 24, that's going to equal 45. Now, 45 sandwiches are sold. But 45 is not an answer choice because they're not asking how many are sold. They're asking how much money did we make for $4 for each. So this is where we need in equal groups here. Okay, so an equal group strip diagram is going to show us that we've got 45 groups. So we've got sandwiches, and each of them are going to be $4. So we can show it like this: $4 for 1, $4 for 2, $4 for 3, $4 for 4. We're going to go all the way, and I'm not going to draw all of them, it's just too many, but I'll say it's 45 times. So I'm going to do 45 times 4. And that is going to get me $180. And that's how much money we made.